I welcome delegates from one of our projects funded by the European Union Vocational Education and English Skills Training Program, which is being implemented in Sirsa, Haryana and Sitapur, Uttar Pradesh. British Council is managing the delivery of a workplace English course in both the districts as a part of this project. I would like the delegates to introduce themselves and talk briefly about the project and their experience at Tech 14.
Thank you. I am Divya, teacher from Sirsa.
Hi, I'm Samiksha, teacher from Sirsa.
Hi, I'm Sanjay Vajpayee, a teacher from Sitapur.
Hello, I'm Vishal Srivastava, teacher from Sitapur.
Can you talk briefly about the project in Sirsa and Sitapur, one of you?
In Sirsa, so far, we almost around 800 students have been certified through this course, and around 1700 has been enrolled. We are running these classes around at 12 locations, including Sirsa city as well as surrounding villages.
This project has been started in Sitapur December 2012, and now it has been going on, and well, more than 20 batches we are taking per day, and around 3,000 students we have trained till now.
Thank you so much, Vishal and Divya. Well, I have few questions for you, about your experience at Tech 14. Yeah. So, what are your key takeaways from attending this conference? I would like each of you to, talk about your key takeaways.
There are many takeaways, but I'll talk about two main things which I feel. After coming at Tech 14, I got a chance to meet many new people. That is called networking here. So I have made contacts and I have learned a lot from others' experiences, which will definitely help me in my CPD. And secondly, after listening to many speakers and plenaries over here, it has given me a very deep insight that yes, I can also contribute something valuable towards the towards improvement of education system in India. And yes, I as an individual also matters. Thank you.
Well, as my colleague said, that's really true. We have n number of takeaways from Tech, and I'm very, very, very happy and glad to be the part of Tech. But I'll talk about two, the same. The one is, yes, it's a step up in the CPD of my career, as well as I'm taking away so many interactive activities for classroom, as well as the classroom management skills and experiences. I'm going to learn a lot. Thank you.
Thank you. I think this conference is all about CPD. We have learned many more things from here, such as how to teach long classes, how to use technology in the classrooms, how to implement innovation in our classrooms, how to plan our lessons, etc.
I'm really delighted to be the part of this conference because it has been really great for us, and I could learn so many things. As everybody said already, that is a part of like CPD and teaching in a large class and so many things. And definitely, we got so many things from this conference. Thank you.
Thank you all. Well, now Samiksha, I would like to ask that would you recommend participation in this conference to others, and why would you do that?
Thank you so much for asking this question. I would definitely recommend the participation in the conference. Why not? Because this conference is the exposure of learning, successes over challenges, the very motivating stories, as well as most important, it's a part of my CPD, anyone's CPD. Most importantly, innovation. Innovation which leads to the quality, which leads to the success, which leads to improvement. So I would definitely recommend the participation every time. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience. Now, Divya, I would like to ask, what is your interpretation of the theme Innovation in English Language Teacher Education, and how would you describe its relevance to the current teacher education scenario in India or across the globe?
Quite lengthy question.
I know the question is quite
All right. As per me, innovation is nothing big or complicated. It's just small changes which we do in our daily classrooms to make learning fun, easy, effective, and rich in quality. If, as far as you asked for the question, relevance, right? it has been said, if we do not change, then that means we are not moving, we are stagnant. So innovation is other name of change. So if we are doing some innovation, that means we are changing and we are adapting towards the need of the time. So including technology, new techniques, everything into our part of teaching can really improve the quality of teaching and overall the education standard in India as well as the globe. I hope that answers your question.
Yeah, thank you so much for your inputs. Well, I'll come to my Sitapur teachers now. Well, Sanjay, how useful were the networking opportunities at the conference? How useful were these for you?
I think networking is one of the main goals of CPD as well as this conference, because we can share our ideas on innovation in the class, use of technology in the class, and networking is also very useful for CPD. We shared our telephone numbers, our emails to over 100 people. After all, it was a great experience. Thank you, British Council. Thank you, EFLU, and thank you, everybody.
So did you take the numbers and email IDs of the speakers so that you can, do further interactions with them on pedagogy, learning methods for your teaching?
Yes. We have taken many emails and contact numbers from the speakers also, and we have all of the email IDs and contacts in our book, in tech book also, and we will keep in touch with all of them.
Thank you so much, Sanjay. Vishal, so what theme would you like us to explore next year at the Teacher Educators Conference 2015? You never know. We put up the theme that you suggest.
So this is a very good question. I wanted to speak something about that because first of all, I would like to appreciate the present team. It's a very nice innovation. It's really needful for us. And next year, I recommend that CPD, because I think so continuing professional development is really important for us. For the teachers, it's really important, and I hope so if the theme is there, then we could enjoy a lot more and we could get some more things to learn, as well as professional development and also personal development. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We record your inputs. So continuous professional development could be the theme for next year. Yeah. Thank you so much, Vishal, Sanjay, Samiksha, and Divya for your inputs. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors, and thank you for coming here. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.